Hello everyone and welcome to 10th CGB Snapshot of 2025 to 2026 admin year. I am Sophia from year 5 and here are the recent events at Colegio Gran Battaglia.
Hi everybody. So last Monday we hosted the IGCSE Certificate Ceremony in the theatre. This ceremony is designed to recognise the achievements of all of our students in year 12 who last year took a variety of exams in the gold standard qualification that is Cambridge's IGCSE. So we were delighted to award our students with an official certificate that came all the way from Cambridge University for all of these subjects, including maths and science and global perspectives and history and many more besides. And in addition to that, a number of our students were awarded the prestigious International Certificate of Education, a diploma that recognizes high-level attainment across a range of subjects. 3 of our students even scored the distinction level of that certificate. We're very proud to celebrate this with them, their teachers, their parents, and students who could be inspired to do the same in the future.
Last Friday, we had a standing Pink Cancer Awareness Day. All funds collected will be donated to Cancer Foundation.
Hi, my name is Santiago, and we're gonna tell you about mountain bike with my friends.
Mountain bike, it's human bicycle, and we can support friends. If when I was practicing, so now one of my friends falls, so we can go to help him. Mountain bike is like a sport of bicycle that you need to. For the competitions, you need to bring your bike and all that. And the last Saturday, we had a competition, and my friends we were in the competition, and we like it so much.
That conclusion today, Snapshot. Remember to stay connected by following us on social media, turning into our podcast, and reading the CGB Need to Read news every Friday. See you in the next Snapshot. Stay tuned.